afternoon, Mirabel members. Here is your weekly construction update. Demo has begun. The carpets came out of the hallways this week, as well as in the main dining room. The dining room has been completely cleared out. All of our doors have been removed and carefully stored. Demo has begun on our old wine cellar, and the service station by the bar has been taken out. The service station by the kitchen has also been removed. Our private dining room has begun its transformation into our new kitchen area. All appliances have been removed from our existing kitchen and stored on site until all of our upgrades are completed. Demo on our patio has made significant progress, making way for our new bar. The back parking lot has been cleared for the pickleball courts. Extra care is being taken to preserve the trees from that area. Please remember that our kitchen is closed until Wednesday, June 3rd. We are starting demolition in the fitness center and on the restrooms this coming week. And please remember to check out our live webcams for construction progress on our website.